For the longest time, we've been told to work at a job for as long as possible or stay there forever. We've been celebrated and praised by our companies for longevity, tenure, and anniversaries, even more so than our accomplishments many times. But what if staying at the same job for too long or until retirement is no longer what's best for you? Have you recently noticed the shift towards job hopping as of late? Have you wondered why the traditional job for life is no longer the best path to success for most career paths and professionals? Let's talk about why job hopping should be the new norm. Did you know the average person is changing jobs 12 times in their career? Studies show that job hopping can actually lead to higher income and increased skills. But why? How does job hopping benefit us more? Well, here's 4 main reasons job hopping can help you, and why you may want to consider switching up your job. 1. Diverse experiences. Job hopping exposes you to different industries, roles, and work cultures. 2. Continuous learning. You gain new skills, knowledge, and perspectives with each job change. 3. Adaptability. Job hopping helps you stay agile and adaptable in a rapidly changing job market. 4. Networking. Each new job brings new connections and expands your professional network. By embracing job hopping, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Imagine having a career that's dynamic, exciting, and filled with growth opportunities. So, let go of the old job for life mentality and embrace the job hopping revolution. Thank you so much for watching.